Hello, this is Saurabh. In this video, we are going to discuss about the deserts of our country. So, what is a desert? A desert is a region which has low precipitation, but many of us think that deserts are the place which have hot climate and they have the sand dunes over there. But this is wrong. Deserts are the place which have low precipitation. And many of us also think that our country has only one desert, that is the Thar Desert. But this concept is also wrong because our country has three deserts. Because all these three regions or these three deserts have low precipitation. So first let us see what are these three deserts. So first we have the Ladakh Desert. The Ladakh Desert. Then we have the Thar Desert. The Thar Desert. And again the third we have the Rann of Kutch. This is the Rann of Kutch. So these are the three deserts of our country. So one by one let us discuss about it. So first this is the Ladakh Desert. So this part is the Ladakh Desert. So this Ladakh Desert is located in the states of Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. So this Ladakh Desert stretches from here. If we look at its northern part of this Ladakh Desert, we have the Karakoram range. Karakoram range. So it extends from here. In the Karakoram range we have the Siachen Glacier, which we discussed in the Himalayan mountains. So this Siachen Glacier, it extends from Siachen Glacier to the main Himalayan range. This one. This is the main Himalayan range. So this main Himalayan range, or we also call it as the Himadri. So it extends from Siachen to Himadri. If we talk about the river in this region, we have river Indus which terminates in this region. So we have this river Indus which passes through this region. And if we talk about this river Indus, so the river Indus is located between two ranges which are also passed through the Ladakh Desert. So the first range is the Ladakh range, and the second range is the Jaskar range. This is the Ladakh range and this is the Jaskar range. So this river Indus passes between these two ranges and passes to the cold desert. Now if we talk about the coldest place in this region, we have the coldest temperature in India is calculated or measured in this part, in this cold desert of Ladakh. Here we have this place called Dras. So this place Dras, we have measured the coldest temperature of our country. After this is all about that we have about the Ladakh Desert. So we have completed this Ladakh Desert. After the Ladakh Desert, we have the Thar Desert, or we also called it the Great Indian Desert, or the Rajasthan Plain, as we have studied in the Northern Plains section that the Rajasthan Plain comes under the Northern Plains, but it is generally studied as a separate physiographic division, that is the Indian Desert, Thar Desert, or the Rajasthan Plain. So the Thar Desert is the largest desert of our country. It is located in Pakistan as well as India. This is the extension of this. So this part is the Thar Desert. So it is located in India as well as Pakistan. If you talk about in our country India, it comprises the states of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, and Haryana. If we talk about the divisions of this, we have two divisions, Marustali and Bagar. So the Marustali, it is 600. The Marustali region, which is above this, there are some small hillocks which separate this Marustali region. Just a minute. These are the small hillocks which separate this Marustali region from the Bagar region. So This Marustali region is 650 kilometers long and 300 kilometers wide. It slopes from west to east direction, and it has an elevation of 300 meters in northeast and 150 meters in the southeast direction. Then on the basis of the shapes, sizes and wind directions, the dunes in this Marustali region are classified as sheaf and Barkang. So and if we also look carefully, this Marustali region is the actual desert region, which is actual desert region of our country. Then we come to the second division. That is the Bagar division. So Bagar region is the semi-arid region of this Thar desert. So this Bagar region is located to the eastern side of Marustali region, and it is drained by river Luni. And this Marustali region is divided into three parts, that is the Luni, Shekhawati and Gagar. So the Luni region, so this region is called as Luni region because it is drained by river Luni and its tributaries. Then after Luni we have the Shekhawati. So this is called as Shekhawati because it was earlier ruled by the Shekhawati Rajputs. And the third division we have the Gagar because river Gagar, this is river Gagar. This river Gagar and many other inland rivers terminate in this region. So this is all about the Thar desert of our country. So we have studied the Thar desert. Now we have the third desert of our country, third and the last desert, that is the Rann of Kutch. Rann of Kutch also receives very less precipitation. The Rann of Kutch is actually not a desert, but we call it as a desert. It is completely located in the state of Gujarat, and it is a salt marshland. So what is a salt marshland? A salt marshland is a land which is regularly flooded by seawater. Means the floods or the waves of the tsunami come in this region, and it is regularly flooded. This region, Rann of Kutch, is regularly flooded by the seawater because here we have the Arabian Sea. So this region is regularly flooded by the seawater. That's why it is called as a salt marshland. And we also call this Rann of Kutch as a white salt region. So this Rann of Kutch we also called it as a white salt region. It extends from here, the Rann of Kutch, to here. It extends from Rann of Kutch to the Little Rann. So now we'll revise quickly. This is the Ladakh desert. This we have the Thar desert. In Ladakh desert we discussed that it is the cold desert of our country. It receives less precipitation, and river Indus terminates here. Then we come to the Thar desert. The Thar desert is the actual Thar desert is the largest desert of our country. We discussed that it is divided into two, Marustali and Bagar. We also got to know about the classification of dunes on the shape, size and wind direction, that is Sheaf and Barkang. Then we came to the third and the last desert, that is the Rann of Kutch. So this is the white salt desert. So this is all about the deserts of our country. Thank you for watching.